guys, what is up? It's me, 5 Phoenix again here today, and we're going to be joined by Izzy Plays to do some duos. They can hear you this time.
Guys. Oh, I like the exhaust.
Oh, Tyler Gribbins joined our game in thingy, and he left. Okay, no worries.
Is that it?
What?
Yeah, play with it.
I left.
Oh, you get proper dusty.
Yeah, because I'm an actual man. But I'm a man without a gun. I found a noob. I'm sorry.
Oh, 2 big pots. Let's go there.
Can I have one, please?
Yeah, And I thought I was going to take 4 damage, but I didn't.
Alakazam.
Bro, what am I doing?
Can I have one of those big pots, please?
Oh! Yeah. Oh, shotgun. Right, that's really good for me.
Okay. It's going pretty good for me. I've already got 2 kills. Bet it's going to be bait or something. Nope.
Is that blue pump I see?
I have double barrel.
Not bad. I don't really like them, but...
I was playing a couple solos without the camera. No, like video, and just a load of kids started rushing me. And then yes, I see a blue pump as well.
It's in the second dusty diner where I built the, it's gonna
Oh,
be at the bottom
that's...
of the ramp.
Why didn't you take a double barrel?
Ronnie, my fans can hear you saying that.
Wait. What usually?
Well, there's 2 big pots, one on the other side of the ramp on there.
You take it.
No, I'm full sure I'm drunk as fuck.
Okay, actually true, because then I could still have 3 minis, but sure. Oh, there's a chest here. Oh my god.
I didn't loot it all. I didn't,
Isaac, you would have been mad, if you, like, if I, that I looted it. Guess what I got?
Why?
A suppressed, can I have that, AR ammo, please?
I'll stand here, I will take it. Nice.
Where's the 2 big
Yeah, so
pots?
One's at the bottom of that ramp, and then one's that side over there.
Where?
So one here, and then one over there. Up here.
Okay. Do you have any AR ammo? I need it.
No, not really. I don't have the best. Okay. I got a med kit for my healables.
Okay, nice, I got 3 minis and
Then I can get the
5
chest.
bandies.
This is where I like going dusty, because, oh my god, I found 3 blue bears now. Were there guys in the proper dusty desert when you
Yeah, 2.
Okay, do you wanna go rush them?
No, I killed
My
them.
dog's barking. I'm not sure if that means there's players on us or...
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, right.
Hey, come on, let's get a win.
Oh, there's people up here? How much materials you got?
700 wood and metal.
Okay, I'm only higher than you on metal.
Oh, I see them. They're building. Oh,
Shoot him down
they
then.
dropped down. No, they dropped down. So they obviously see players.
Drop down where?
Up here, out on the mountain.
Why are you wasting your materials?
It's metal, so don't worry.
True, because metal can take a pump shotgun or any shotgun, but wood can't, because it spawns too high. Pardon me, Jesus. Are they on you? Oh yeah, they are. I don't think he knows that I'm right behind you. Don't worry, Isaac. Oh, hit one. Nice, Isaac. I'm drinking my slut.
I'm med kitten.
Okay, nice. Oh, he has a portal fort. Quick! Oh, that's not going to be enough. It's going to... Is there no snipers at all? Oh, there's thermal here, Isaac. Thermal. Isaac, thermal.
Yeah, no, yeah, no.
You should definitely have it, and I'll have that ball action.
Yeah, let's go.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh my god, I shouldn't drink this slurp. Oh, but I totally should. Oh, who cares? Everyone's going to hate me. Oh my god, there actually is. Watch this, ready? I just saved you, Isaac! Oh, and I just killed him. Can I have his loot?
Oh, legend. He literally
Oh,
trapped
okay.
me.
Isaac, I need his ammo.
Okay, take whatever you need.
I need... Oh. I need his RPG ammo. Or all of your RPG ammo, because I have a legendary RPG. What? How can't I carry them? Can you carry these, please?
Oh, I can. Right, 3 people left, come on.
Okay, I see 2 people. Try and get a lucky
Stay on
snipe.
this mountain, stay
They're
on
going to
this
try and get the supply drop that's in the tree. I think. No, they're not. They're 2 defaults. 2 fake defaults. Oh my god, how... What? That didn't register. Peek that, I dare you. Watch this, you ready? Don't build your bottom foundation out of wood. Oh, his friend's trying to make a push on
My
us.
lag just went up. My lag just went up, please help.
Hit him in the foot. Oh my god, 169 damage. No! Oh no! There has to be shield back here. Oh yeah, there's 2 minis. Isaac, keep him distracted, okay? Oh, where did I put him? Oh no.
No, I can't.
I'm coming now.
Oh lord.
Oh my god, Isaac, you could have told me that they were there. I can RPG them.
Next one. Why is that not registering? I lied.
Got him.
Let's go.
Where's last guy?
2v1, 2v1. I need a med kit up though.
Where's last guy?
Not clear, but I need a med kit up. But I'm lagging.
Oh, we need to go to circle. Come on. You could have shield though. Oh my god. Oh, he has a launch pad. I don't care. And I'm dead. I have to be dead. If I'm not dead, I'm a wizard.
Where is this guy?
He might be in there. He couldn't be that bush, could he? Isaac, where are you getting hit from? Oh! Alright, I'm launch padding. No, Isaac, stop. Where is he?
Where am I getting shot from? I'm behind.
Oh my god, right there.
No scope.
Got him. GG.
Let's go.
7 kills. Whew!
12 kills. Good game.
You got no, I was gonna say.
I tried grappling onto him, then
Oh no! You got
oh, my dog's celebrating.
So's mine.
GG, bro. What a good game. Whew.
Can you play another?
We played that really smart. Where did we go that game?
The dancers, because
We just got a win.
I know, I saw it. We also got a win, so shut the fuck up.
Oh, I get the Spider-Man thingy.
Yeah,
Guess
Great.
we
where
both
did
got
we
one.
go?
Okay, that's it from me again today, guys. See ya.